Hey guys, so I am back with another grocery haul, and this is actually a pretty large one. We've been out of town for the last week, so we tried to eat up as much food as we could before we went for our trip, and now that we're back, we really need to stock up. So we spent a total of $247, I believe was the total, but this food will last us 2 if not 3 weeks. So I'll just go over as quickly as I can everything we got. So the items on here, I got a case of water, a 32 count, some Sam's Cola, and then a sprinkler for our yard. And then up here, we got some, these are some fun nuggets. My son is really obsessed right now with dinosaurs, so he wanted some dinosaur-shaped chicken nuggets. So got some chicken tenders, got some yellow potatoes, got some baked potatoes. I got some sausage for some breakfast items one morning. Got some milk, got some ground beef, got some mozzarella cheese, tater tots, some guacamole. These are come in little like individual containers. My husband likes to take them on the go sometimes. This is, let's see, Miss Dash. He uses this for like a tuna salad that he makes. Got some chocolate milk, some eggs, which I've noticed that the eggs have gone up in price. Apparently these were like $1 more than they normally are. It's got some sausage, breakfast sausage links. Got some brownies, saltine crackers, some onion, what are these called? Bagels. Got some French bread, some regular white bread, 3 pounds of chicken breast, some vanilla ice cream, some hash browns, some bananas. Got some yogurt smoothie things. My son really likes this, likes these. He wanted to get the cotton candy this time. Also got some ragu. Classic Alfredo. I got some spaghetti sauce. I just get the ragu, mushroom, and green pepper. I also got some, these are some sliced almonds and then some walnuts. The almonds are going to be for chicken salad, and then the walnuts are going to be for some brownies I'm going to make. Got some orange juice, some goldfish. My son insisted on the ones that are colored. Got some Honey Nut Cheerios, as well as some gluten-free, the Chex clusters. That's the fruit and oats. Got some trash bags, which we've been needing. Some angel hair pasta for the spaghetti. I really like this Reese's shell. You pour this over ice cream and it gets real hard and you can kind of break it apart. So that's why I also got the ice cream. Got some shredded lettuce. And then a red onion. I'm going to use that for some, what is that stuff called? Pico de gallo. That's also the suddenly pasta salad that he's going to add some tuna and then the salad seasoning to make his little lunches. And as well as some Lunchables for my son. We got 4, but he's already eaten 1. And then over here is the rest of the groceries. I'm telling you, we got a lot. So we got some hot dog buns, some hamburger buns, just a collection of just canned goods. We needed like some more corn, some beans, some tuna, you know, little Italian, or I'm sorry, Vienna sausages, some sliced mushrooms, got some chili, just got all sorts of stuff. Got some pinto beans, some bacon, got some celery for the chicken salad, some green onions for the baked potatoes. This is some cilantro for the pico, as well as the tomatoes, and then there's a jalapeno down here for the pico. Got some Fritos flavor twist honey barbecue. It's for my husband's lunches. Got some regular Lay's sour cream onion chips and some Doritos. Got some hot dogs, beef. Got some crescent rolls. These are the crescent rounds, which we've really been enjoying those lately. Some extra sharp cheddar cheese for just sandwiches or like grilled cheese sandwiches. Some chocolate pudding. Some corn on the cob because that's awesome. And on our trip, we went to the Jack Daniel's distillery. Apparently there's only one that's in Lynchburg, Tennessee. And we had such a good time that we vowed that we're always going to try to support Jack Daniel's brand, because it's such a good company and it was such a good tour, and we just really enjoyed kind of it's such a humble company, it seems. So got some of the pulled pork, which we get this anyway, but for the barbecue sauce, we got some Jack Daniel's. My husband got some of these ready to go, whole grain. You just kind of pop these in the microwave. I think you might add some water to it, and it makes some brown rice. Some chive and onion cream cheese spread for his bagels. Got some more mayonnaise. Got some macaroni and cheese. Got some pepperoni slices. This is for sandwiches, as well as some hard salami for the sandwiches. Some sour cream. some soap. This is just Dial soap, bar soap. Some espresso coffee. I got these little pizzas for my son. He'll just eat these sometimes, as well as a bigger pizza back there for my husband. And then last but not least, over here, we got some, I always just keep this in the cabinet just for a quick dinner one night, just some, like a little taco dinner kit. Got some double stuffed Oreos, and then also got some, flour tortillas. And then my husband starts class tomorrow, so he got some, stuff for that. So he got a binder, and then he got some folders down here. So again, $247 for everything, which I think we did pretty well. We got a lot of stuff, a lot of food, and I'm really happy with it. So I'm gonna see how long I can last this grocery haul for. I'm hoping to get at least 3 weeks worth of lunches and dinners and breakfasts out of this. So thanks for watching.